Hey tennis fans, check out the Head TS6 tennis racket, perfect for beginner to intermediate players looking to improve their game. This racket features an oversized 115 square inch head that creates a larger sweet spot, helping you master precision with every shot. Its head-heavy balance provides added stability and control, making it easier to hit powerful and accurate strokes. Crafted from durable titanium and graphite fiber, the frame is lightweight yet built to last through intense play. Measuring 27.75 inches in length with a comfortable 4.38-inch grip, it fits well in adult hands for better handling. Weighing just 252 grams, the TS6 offers easy maneuverability on the court. Experience modern tennis technology designed to elevate your performance with this expertly crafted racket from Head. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.